Okay, so here we are in my garage, and this is where I installed the controller here. So you see this black wire right there. It's hooked to a 120 volt extension cord here that hooks into my house right now. We're gonna clean that up, lay the cord around the edge of the house, or edge of the garage here a little later. But anyway, that cord goes to this black wire, which comes to the controller, and then out of the controller with this beautiful leopard print duct tape. I have 3 red wires and a white wire there. So the red wires are stations 1, 2, and 3, and the white wire is the common wire. So that comes out of the clock, it goes down to the frame of the house here, right back there, goes underneath my overhead door. Comes around the back here, and then underneath here it's coming up underneath the house there, and I've got it tacked up under the foundation and the siding of the house. We're gonna back up, and it comes along the edge of the house here behind the bench, the wire does, and then it goes down under the doorway there, door frame. You can see it there tucked under. Okay, it's going to come under the door. You see it again right here. Comes behind these plants. Oh, right there. It makes a trip from the siding down to the ground, and I've got it buried in the ground the rest of the way. Okay, and then it comes over here, goes behind the faucet, and then into where I have my valve manifold. Okay. So here you can see the red wires. Again, there's the 3 red wires coming in here, and then the 1 white common wire, and those connect to the 3 valves here. I've got 2 filters on the first 2 zones, and then the 3rd zone does not have a filter or pressure regulator because it goes to PVC, where the other 2 are going to go to poly pipe or drip irrigation. So then I dug up the sidewalk, the brick sidewalk I have here, and then the pipes come out over on this side. And again, you can see the first 2 are going to be poly pipe lines, drip lines, and then the 3rd is going to be a PVC line. So I'm going to use the 2 poly lines to irrigate the landscape bed, and I'm going to use the 1 PVC line to irrigate the turf grass, the lawn I have here. Okay, so again, there's the pipes. And we're going to come back here and look at the faucet. So what I did is I tapped the water into the faucet here. I put a splitter on the faucet, so there's a hose and a PVC splitter. The PVC goes down to the manifold here. Again, I can test my line to make sure it works here. I can turn the water on, and then I can come over here and give the solenoid a 1/4 turn to see if it works. So let's go ahead and do that. I'll give it a 1/4 turn, and we see water coming out of the poly line over here now. There it is. Okay, so I'll come back over here. I'll turn this off. Okay, again, the line is off now. Okay, and we're gonna go back into the garage, and we're gonna turn the line on with the clock this time. So I come back in here to the clock. I'm gonna put it on automatic. Okay, and then I'm gonna do enter manual. It's already on run all. I'm gonna hit enter again. Oh, so station 1 will kick on. So let's go back and see if station 1 started. We're gonna see if the clock works, Christine. Oh, look at that.
What?
We got station 1 running there. Beautiful. Okay. Can you hold this, Christine? I'm gonna go turn it off, and I want to see the clock turn it off. Okay. All right, so we're gonna go back to the clock one more time here. There's the lovely assistant holding the irrigation. We're gonna come back in here. We're gonna put it to the off position, and the water shuts off that quickly. Okay. Very good. Thank you, Christine. That's all I have for the valve installation. We'll talk more soon about putting in our drip pipe, poly pipe, and PVC soon. All right, I'll talk to you later. Bye.